Hey guys, we're going to learn 4-player chess. It's going to be great. And it's your first time. Let's see what we can do. Looks like I'm playing a 200 and another 200 and a 100. Okay, let's see. It looks like that yellow just attacking, it's just attacked blue's knight. Oh my gosh. Yellow's still attacking blue. I'm first going to start by attacking, like going for getting a queen, and then I'll think about getting everyone else. Oh my god, why did he do that? Oh my gosh. Why did he just give up a knight moving a pawn? Oh, I forgot. Blue is a 2000 player. You start with 2000. So he might have not known that. Beginners don't know that much, but it's alright. They just start. Looks like yellow's in the lead today. I totally did not expect that blue was going to move there. Wow, that was a great move. I totally did not see that. If I were blue, I'd never seen that. Wow. I want to get my queen in the game. I got 2 queens now. You can get a queen in your 6th square. I'm just telling you. If you want to know that, I told you. It looks like I can give a double check. That double checks give you 5 points. Triple checks give you 15. And some others. It looks like, no, blue's gonna lose a queen. Sorry, I had to do this, but sorry, blue. Sorry, blue. Let's see what. You can give checkmate with other people's help or others. I'll show you later on the game. It looks like my next move is I'm going to move my bishop. If he moves this pawn here, I'm going to move my queen out. Looks like I won't need to move my queen now. I got a chance to give yellow checkmate, but if that knight is gone, that's the only hope I got. So let's see what goes. That knight could be, I can trick yellow, or I might even have a chance to just get yellow tricked. I have no idea how to give yellow some pressure. I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? But I'm gonna solve this. This might take a while. I'm not gonna let anyone get a queen because I should win this game. Because I'm the highest rated player. So I'm not gonna let anyone. It looks like red stopped blue. Says I think I'm gonna stop yellow. But I'm first gonna try to trick him by falsing for that knight here. That will take a couple of moves. Look like all these players are the lowest. If the highest player is lost, then that means everyone gets some points. It feels like it's not true, but it really is true. Let's see what I can do. It looks like they're aiming for here. I'm gonna just trick them instead of I'm aiming for there. I'm actually aiming for yellow first. and then I'm going for someone else. Actually, I want to go for yellow and then blue. So I won't have to go with the complicated. Why is blue giving up all his pieces for just red? I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna give someone checkmate. Yep, I know who I'm going to give checkmate. Blue is checkmated. It's going to be checkmate. It's going to be. Blue, it's your end. I am going to sacrifice my queen. Even if it's not good to sacrifice your own queen. I'm just going to do it. But first I'm going to castle. It's castle the earliest is best than losing a king. I just wish that red takes that knight. Thank goodness he took. I can take that pawn over there. It's free. I don't know if blue is going to trade with red bishops. But I definitely know I'm going to take this pawn. If blue goes here or here, I'm not going to. But, you know, these queens are actually not a queen. They're actually a pawn. They're worth 1. That's why it says 1 here. They're actually fake queens, but they are a queen. You just promote them. They will only worth 1. Let's see. Blue's gonna lose some time. That's okay. I'll know that. I'm never gonna let anyone win me. That's 1, 2. And it looks like no one's ever gonna win me. I'm not going to let anyone win me. Not one person at all. I just wish he doesn't move that pawn. That's horrible. It's like a catastrophe. Please just do not. I just wish. Yellow, just 1 move. Just 1 move. Just 1. Oh, looks like I was lucky. I guess I was lucky. And if ever, they would say. The king's worth about 20 points. I forgot to tell you guys. So I'd rather chase the king than other pieces. I'd rather chase the king. Oh my gosh. These two are like stuck. Like a pin. I can do a pin. But this knight could stop if I like have like triple pieces. If I even did triple pieces. Something's going fishy. Something's fishy. Something's fishy. Something's odd. Why did... Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. Oh my god. Come on. Dude. Please. This is horrible. Horrible, I know. I'd rather not yellow to take. If he does, he can lose his own queen. Because you could also support. But I'd rather not do that. Looks like red is also losing on time. I'm not going to lose on time. Because I won't want to do that. Let's see what... Oh my gosh. Red can ruin my life. But he didn't. Oh. None of them ruined my life. Well, yellow's one lost his queen. That. I knew you were going to lose your queen. Why would yellow would ever do that? I'm just going to take that bishop. Looks like I'm the lead now. That's totally great. I can resign and still win. Like if I give someone checkmate, I'll resign and I still win the game. So you can do that. Sometimes it says claim win. So I'd say yeah, I will go for it. Wait, what? I'm actually going to let red lose his own queen. Because I'm not going to let anyone have some points. Because I just like getting them to loss. That's the best point for me. I'm going for yellow and then red. I might even want to resign. Actually, I am going to resign. Oh my gosh. My double. I totally did not see that. That was so brilliant. But how dare you? I want to give you a check. So you'll learn your lesson not to ever do that. You should have not done that. Oh, mate. Sorry, Yellow. I can give you mate in whatever move you give me. It's a mate. Oh, I forgot. It's not mate. But it will be. I totally did not see that. That was like a surprise. That rook, I totally did not see. Wow. Why did I ever do that? Oh my gosh. Why did I ever let him? Oh, I should have not gave a check. Oh my gosh. I lost a queen in. No? Man, if I resign, he can get more points, but I'm not gonna resign. And then I really wanted to face back him. Because I'm not a resigning type. Only if I were really need to, I'd do it. Yeah, I would. Looks like red is going to last on time. Yellow's made it. Sheesh. Man, I thought I was the person to give everyone a checkmate. But it's alright. Let me just take these pieces. If I have 60, yeah, I will resign. Actually, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. He just gave his own queen for me. Wow, now I'm winning. I'm seriously winning. I'm dreadily winning. Oh my gosh. Why would he ever do that? Probably he didn't see. That was so good for me. Oh, thank goodness he moved. I was totally losing. Now he just helped me. And thank goodness he moved there. Oh my gosh. I totally would have never moved there. I would have signed. So it looks like now I'm still in the lead now. Looks like he still doesn't want to resign. I think I'll give him a check. So he'll learn not to mess up. Whatever. Oh, man, what a good trick. That was the beautifulest trick. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I got a rook. Okay, I don't care if I lost my rook, because I'm not going to allow you to have my queen. Like, I have a queen. I was like, queen? Yeah. All my pieces are coming up to you. All my pieces are in red's place. So I'm definitely going to win, because red has just 2 rooks and 2 knights and 1 bishop. I got 2 bishops, 1 knight, and 1 rook. But I can still win on time. So I don't worry much. Oh, let's see if I would. Oh my god, he just. Wow. Why couldn't he even see that? Oh yeah, he was in time travel. It's alright. He only got less. Looks like we're about in the same. I can give checkmate in 1. Yep, I can. If you push this pawn, it can be harder. Man, you missed. It looks like I won. My ratings now is 1412. Red played good. He got 4 points for winning. And when you get 2, second and first place get some points. And third and fourth, minus. Just I'm telling. So, bye-bye. I'll see you in the next episode. So you can make 15. It's 3 seconds. seconds.
What is it?